I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wear my clothes. I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I put on deodorant. I put on deodorant. I make my bed. I make my bed. I tidy my room. I tidy my room. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get up at 7 a.m. I get up at 7 a.m. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I open my eyes slowly. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face.
Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Let's check your English. You have 5 seconds for each question. What do you do first in the morning? A. I take a shower. B. I wake up early. C. I comb my hair. What do you do after you wake up? A. I open my eyes slowly. B. I tidy my room. C. I wear my clothes. What do you do with the alarm? A. I make my bed. B. I turn off the alarm. C. I brush my teeth. Where do you go after getting up? A. I go to the bathroom. B. I look in the mirror. C. I stretch my body. Which one is about cleaning your teeth? A. I wash my face. B. I brush my teeth. C. I put on deodorant. What do you do after a shower? A. I dry my hair. B. I wake up early. C. I open my eyes. What do you do before leaving your room? A. I tidy my room. B. I turn off the alarm. C. I stretch my body. Bonus question. What time do you get up? A. I get up at 7 a.m. B. I go to the bathroom. C. I comb my hair. How many answers did you get right? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.